Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about tan x equals to sine x over cosine x, and secant of x, that is about 1 over cosine x. So this one we change by this one. This one we change by this one. Now we need to simplify cosine x to the power of 4 on numerator and denominator. And cosine x will go in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both side, and we have du equal to cosine x dx. Next, this one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 4. This one we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 5 over 5, and I will put about c. So about u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.